Hi, this is Jessica from Faces. I'd like to share a quick video showing you how you can take advantage of a fantastic feature we offer. And the best part is it's completely free. I'm referring to the Marketing tab. Please note that this feature isn't available on the app, so you'll need to log in via the Faces website at faces.com. Simply enter your username and login details. Once you're in, click on the Marketing tab, then select Emails and choose Send Marketing Email. It works just like sending a regular email. You can select a specific location if you have more than one and choose to send it to all your clients or just a selected few. A great feature is the ability to upload a photo, which makes your message more engaging. This is perfect for promoting any upcoming offers or special events you may have. Once you've added your content and attachments, simply click Send. And that's how the email marketing feature works.